ever wondered why Python is the go-to language for artificial intelligence enthusiasts? Python has earned this coveted position for a number of reasons. Its simplicity is a major selling point. Python's syntax is clear, concise, and easy to learn, making it an ideal choice for beginners and veterans alike. But Python's appeal doesn't stop at simplicity. This language is incredibly versatile, able to adapt to a wide range of AI tasks, from machine learning to natural language processing. Another strong suit of Python is its extensive library support. These libraries, pre-packaged with Python, provide ready-to-use solutions for complex problems, saving developers time and effort. Libraries like NumPy, SciPy, and TensorFlow, to name a few, are invaluable resources in the AI world. Python's compatibility with different platforms and its ability to handle complex calculations also contribute to its popularity in AI. So, Python's simplicity, versatility, and extensive library support make it a powerful tool in the world of AI. Now that we know why Python is so popular in AI, let's understand how it is used. Python is a cornerstone in the world of artificial intelligence, powering numerous processes and applications. Let's start with machine learning. Python's simplicity and clarity make it an ideal language for creating and training machine learning models. Its extensive libraries, such as scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch, provide ready-to-use machine learning algorithms that simplify the process and save time. In the realm of deep learning, Python's role is equally pivotal. Libraries like TensorFlow and Keras have made it easier for developers to create neural networks, the building blocks of deep learning. These tools offer high-level APIs that abstract complex details, enabling developers to focus on the bigger picture. But Python's influence doesn't stop there. It also plays a significant role in natural language processing, or NLP. Libraries such as NLTK and Spatie allow developers to process human language, opening up possibilities for creating chatbots, sentiment analyzers, and more. Beyond these applications, Python is instrumental in data analysis and visualization, two crucial aspects of AI. Libraries like Pandas and Matplotlib make it possible to analyze large datasets and visualize the results in a comprehensible manner. In essence, Python's libraries act as a powerful toolbox, assisting developers in creating, training, and deploying AI solutions. These tools not only simplify the process, but also accelerate the development cycle, making Python a preferred choice in AI development. From machine learning to natural language processing, Python's role in AI is vast and indispensable. So, Python and AI, a match made in tech heaven, wouldn't you agree? Let's take a stroll down memory lane and revisit the key points we've discussed. Python's popularity in the AI realm is no fluke. Its simplicity and user-friendly nature make it a go-to language for beginners and experts alike. No need for complex syntax or intricate coding structures. Python's straightforward approach allows developers to focus on problem-solving rather than getting entangled in the web of programming complexities. But it's not just the simplicity that puts Python in the limelight. Its versatility is another feather in its cap. Whether you're dabbling in machine learning, deep learning, or natural language processing, Python has got you covered. Its wide-ranging applications make it an indispensable tool in the AI toolbox. Now, let's not forget the libraries. Oh, the libraries. Python's extensive library support is like the cherry on top. Libraries such as NumPy for numerical computations, Pandas for data manipulation, and TensorFlow for deep learning, to name just a few, provide pre-written code that can save precious time and effort. With its simplicity, versatility, and extensive support, Python truly is the cornerstone of AI development. Next time you marvel at an AI technology, remember, Python might be working its magic behind the scenes.